welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, today I'm going to do something a little bit different for you. Not going to bake today. No recipes today. Today I'm going to do a review for you, a product review. Now, I don't usually do too many product reviews, and I'm not sponsored by anyone. I haven't taken in any money from anyone. Usually, if I do a product review, they'll supply me with the product, and that will be my compensation, pretty much, for reviewing the product. So, first, before we get started, I want to thank all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for hitting that subscribe button and coming on board and supporting my channel. And I also want to congratulate Dee Berg, who won my giveaway, my last giveaway. So congratulations to her. And all my regular subscribers that follow me, love you all, and thanks for your support. So anyway, not too long ago, maybe a few weeks or a month ago, I was approached by a company. The name of the company is Vont. It's V-O-N-T. I'll put it up there on the screen for you. And they asked me if I would be willing to review one of their products. And I thought, well, show me the product, and I'll make a decision. So I thought the product fit in very well with my baking channel, so I said, sure, I'll do it. And they agreed. It's not a sponsored video. They agreed to send me the product at no charge, and I would review it. And then if you stay till the end of this video, you might see another little surprise that they offered me. So anyway, enough blabbing. Let me get on with it and tell you a little bit about the product and the company. Well, as I said, the company is called Vont, V-O-N-T. And they specialize in inexpensive and eco-friendly, smart electronics. So what they asked me to review was a kitchen scale. And if you looked at my thumbnail, it's tiny, but it's mighty. That's not their slogan, that's mine. Tiny, but mighty. So this company started out, I think it was in 2014, a group of friends got together and they wanted to come up with a bright light for their bike. So they put their heads together and they came up with this bright bike light. They shared it with their family and friends and everyone loved it. And they were even using this bike light for a flashlight. So then they said, you know something? I think we have something good going here. So about a year later, they manufactured that and they put it up for sale. And what they like to do is they like to have their electronics sent directly to your home. So this bike light was put on Amazon. Well, it turns out there was, I think, something like thousands of positive reviews on this bike light, and Amazon named it their best bike light. Now, that's pretty good for Amazon to give that name to the light. At least I think so. And I don't know about you, but I tend to shop a lot from Amazon. So anyway, what they believe in, and I'm going to just read it to you quickly because it's important. They believe that there's nothing better than smart, now listen to the key word, inexpensive, smart, inexpensive electronic innovations. They ship them right to your home, and they just feel that there's nothing more annoying than people selling and producing junk that ends up in the landfill. And I agree. That's why every Vont product is designed and manufactured with meticulous attention to detail and eco-friendly materials. And that is one of the main reasons I did agree to review this product for you. Their mission statement is, we create and sell simple, affordable, high quality, consumer electronics. Our company is built on a reputation for quality and service. And if you are not satisfied, and they say 100% satisfied with anything they sell, they'll replace it or refund your money promptly and courteously. So I enjoyed all of that they had to say, and after reading that and checking out the product, that's when I decided to review it. So what do you say we get started? What I'm reviewing for you today is the Vont Milo. I'll put the name up there. It's MILO kitchen scale. It's a food scale. It's a digital scale. It's tiny but mighty, and that's what I liked about it. It has a beautiful LCD screen. It has 5 measurement units, and you can use the scale for baking, for weight loss, for cooking, and I know there's a lot of very popular chefs that use this scale. So let me bring it over and show you what it looks like. It came to me in this box that said, it was packaged well, and it says on it Vont, V-O-N-T, digital kitchen scale. And on the back, it gives you the measurements. And I'm going to take it out of the box because it is tiny but mighty. It's 7.5 inches by 5.5 inches. It's almost the size of a small iPad, and it's about 0.5 inches thick. So let me take it out. Whoopsie! Here we go. It's packaged beautifully, and look at this. It's stainless steel, and let me get it out. And this is what it looks like. I'm working solo today without the cameraman, so I'll hold it up here. I hope you can see it. That's the front of it, and on the one side it has on/off, and here it has units. In the middle is the LCD screen. On the back you have little feet that will hold it down when you're using it, and it does take 2 1.5 volt AAA batteries, which are included when you get the scale. Now, this is so lightweight. You can see how thin it is. It takes up so little space. Look at this. You can even fit it in a drawer if you don't have any counter space for it. I just love it. I think it will weigh up to, you can weigh up to 11 pounds on this scale. So that makes it pretty mighty, right? I mean, it's only small. It's made with 4 Japanese precision sensors in it. And it'll give you accurate weight. They tell you it's going to give you accurate weight every single time. Sounds good to me, right? And they say don't settle. This is how they advertise it on Amazon. Don't settle for other scales with low quality materials. They use food grade 304 stainless steel, while others often are made of just plastic. It comes with an auto tear and instant unit conversion for 5 units. That I liked. It has a feather light build, which it does. It's very lightweight, and a gorgeous backlight. When I turn it on, you probably won't be able to see. Maybe you can. It has a very nice backlight on the LCD display, and it's anti-fingerprint technology. And because it's a thinner version, it's a breeze to clean up, and it does look pretty sitting on your kitchen counter, especially if you have stainless steel appliances. It's sleek, petite. I like that word. Sleek, petite build. Eliminates the clutter, and it's easy storage. Like I said, it's so lightweight and small you can even fit it in a drawer. Oh, there goes the grandfather clock again. Dun, dun. It's made with lightweight material, so you can even carry it around with you. If you have to take it someplace, you can put this right in your purse or in your briefcase or whatever. They say that you can have peace of mind with this product since it's, you ready for this? Warranted for life. Now I haven't purchased too many products that are warranted for life. It's covered against loss, theft, and defects in material and workmanship for as long as you own the product. And as I mentioned earlier, batteries are included. So look at this. Here on this side is the on-off switch. So you just press it on to turn it on the top there, on the bottom, and you turn it and press it off. I wish I could do a close-up for you, but it's hard for me to do it by myself here. But anyway, here you go. So it's on, and then here it's off. What you can do is you can put the unit on and it'll measure it in ounces. Press it again, it'll measure it in millimeters and in grams. So that I really liked about it. You can put, and I do that a lot, sometimes if I'm baking and it calls for a certain amount of a product, I might put my cup on here, measure your cup. I believe it turns off after, I think it's 2 minutes if you're not using it. It'll automatically turn off. Then you can just put it back on and measure it with the ingredients in it. So that I liked. I love this little scale, and I have an old one that I bought many, many years ago. I'm talking, could be 15, 20 years ago when I was doing a little bit of Weight Watchers, and honestly, I found that scale to be a big fat pain in the neck. This one I think is fantastic. Free to go on Amazon and see what they say about it, but I will tell you, there is over 1,300 reviews on this baby. So that's not anything to sneeze about. And so, did I tell you what the scale weighs? The scale, whoopsie, weighs 8 ounces. Now, really, that's not much. That's why you can carry it around with you. And the weight limit I told you before is 11 pounds. I mean, it's pretty amazing that you can weigh up to something up to 11 pounds on this tiny scale. And the brand is Vont, V-O-N-T. So, Vont has offered me a surprise for you guys. I'm going to put down below in my description box, I will put also some pictures of this. I'll take some close-ups of this and I'll insert them in the video for you. But they have offered a code, which I'll put down below in the description box. So if you order it through Amazon, you can use the code and you'll get 10% off. And this is another giveaway. The Diva's on the giveaway roll now. If you want to participate in winning one of these scales for yourself, just put a notation in the comments that you'd like to be included in the giveaway for the free scale. And your name will go in, I will pick the name, and then I will notify the Vont company and they will send the winner directly to their home one of these scales. Now, I saved the best part for last. Yes, I did. Do you know how much? Take a guess. Don't look on Amazon, no cheating. But do you know how much the scale cost if you order it without the 10% discount code? Well, let me tell you. This scale costs, now I would think this would be, I don't know, $25, $29, something like that. It's very well made. Or with that kind of a warranty, this scale sells for $10.99. That's right. And to prove it, I printed out the screenshot from Amazon. It's $10.99. And if you have Prime, it's free shipping. And another thing, it's also free returns. Now really, now you're wondering, now you know why the Diva agreed to review this scale. So, I would say, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel and you want to see more of my videos, I do baking, which is sweet and savory. I do some reviews. I do giveaways. I do special events like holidays, family events. I've had my grandchildren on, you know that. All of you that follow me, you know that. Then go down below and smash that red subscribe button and the little bell next to it till it says all. And that's it. You're a subscriber. It's free. And all you'll get is a notification whenever I put a new video on. And you won't miss it. So I think that's about it. So don't forget, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And that's just the way, when YouTube sees those thumbs up, they say, oh, people have been watching her video. So we're going to help her promote it. That's what they do. And I love your comments. I read each and every one of them. I don't always have time to respond to all of them, but I do my best. And if you sometimes see just a little heart, you'll know that I read it. So I think that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this little product review of the Vont food scale. And I hope you'll join and make a comment, so maybe one of you lucky people out there will win one. So for now, I'm going to say, have a great weekend. I appreciate and love each and every one of you. And for now, what do I always say?